Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to block specific dates from appointment booking in Hostinger website builder. First, I will show you how to block just hours of the day, and then I will show you how to block all day from appointment booking. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account, and go to websites. Now, next to your website, click on Manage Store. This way, you will automatically land on the store management area instead of the website builder. Now, to block specific days from appointment booking in Hostinger, it's simple. Just to go to appointments, then go to availability, scroll down a little bit, scroll down to unavailable times and click on first. In your case, you will see no dates here. Click on edit blocked time. This calendar window will pop up here. Let's say that on this 5th of February next month, I don't like I am not available, so let's redo it. 5th of February, click on it. Here you can block all day like this, or block just, for example, a time slot. For example, from 9 a.m. to 12, it's blocked on this day. Click on here. You can even add a second time slot like this, but I will go with just from 9 a.m. to 12. It's blocked on 5th of February. Click on save, and you will see it here. Availability changed, saved successfully. Saved successfully. Now let's block a complete date, or a complete day. Click on edit block again. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add-in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Now let's block a complete date, or a complete day. Click on edit block again. Now on the 6th of February, I will block all day, just like this. Click on save, and you will see it added here. Now let's view my appointment calendar live. I will go to store, my appointment products, book now, and let's check the February. As you see, on February, the 5th of February, I cannot book before 12, and on the 6th of February, it is not available all day, not available for booking, or blocked from booking. And this is how to block specific dates in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.